In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time on Square appointments. This is a handy skill for anyone managing their business schedule, ensuring you carve out time for breaks, personal appointments, or specific tasks that need your full attention without interruptions. So let's dive straight in and simplify the process for you. First off, navigate to the official Square website. It's your gateway to not just managing appointments, but a whole range of business services designed to make your life easier. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In option. It's crucial for accessing your personal Square dashboard, where the magic of managing your appointments happens. Signing in is as straightforward as it gets. You'll be prompted to enter your email address followed by your password. The importance of remembering these credentials cannot be overstated, as they are your access keys to managing your Square services. After successfully signing in, you're greeted by the Square dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, giving you a bird's eye view of your transactions, appointments, and various Square services. It's from here that we'll begin the journey of blocking off your much needed time. Look around and you'll find an option labeled More Tools. Click on it. Square has a plethora of tools designed to manage different aspects of your business, from payments to appointments. Our focus today, however, is squarely on the latter. After you've navigated into the Tools section, seek out and select Appointments. This will bring you into the specific zone of Square that handles scheduling. It's user-friendly and designed with your busy schedule in mind. Next, move to clicking on Calendar within the Appointments section. This is where your schedule lives. The calendar is designed to give you a comprehensive view of your appointments, making it easier to navigate and manage your time effectively. Now, for the main event, blocking off time. You'll notice a time icon. That's your key to marking out personal time or periods where you're simply unavailable for appointments. Click on it and you'll be able to select the specific time you want to block off. This is an invaluable tool for maintaining your sanity and ensuring you get those much needed breaks. Carefully select the time you need to block off. The interface allows you to be precise about the timing, ensuring that it fits perfectly with your schedule's needs. Once done, proceed to uncheck it, signaling that this time slot is not available for appointments or bookings. The final step in this procedure is to click Done. Congratulations, you've successfully blocked off time in your Square appointments calendar. This blocked off time will now reflect on your schedule, alerting you and preventing anyone from booking an appointment during this period. Remember, the flexibility and control over your schedule that Square Appointments provides are invaluable for any business owner or service provider. Blocking off time not only helps in managing your workflow more effectively, but also ensures that you have the freedom to allocate time for personal commitments, essential tasks, or simply taking a well-deserved break. By following these steps, you'll maintain a balanced schedule that accommodates both your professional responsibilities and personal needs. Square Appointments is designed to streamline your scheduling process, and mastering these features will significantly enhance your productivity and peace of mind. Don't forget, managing your schedule effectively is key to not just business success, but also personal well-being. Square Appointments gives you the tools you need, and now with the ability to block off time, you're better equipped to manage every aspect of your day with ease. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're new to Square or looking to maximize your use of it, I hope this guide empowers you to take control of your schedule like never before. Keep experimenting with the various features Square offers, and you'll find managing your appointments becomes a breeze. Happy scheduling!